Okay, camera rolling, recording. Okay. Salut tout le monde, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Not able to understand the subtitles, the sous-titres in this video? I'll tell you why. Because in this video we are going to talk about the French abbreviations which can make your life very easy while talking in French to your friends or maybe colleagues, and quick at the same time. So without any further ado, on y va. Aujourd'hui c'est le 13e episode, the French Friday. I can't believe bhai 12 episode already ban chuke and this is the 13th one. Okay, the first actually we should not number them because there are a lot of abbreviations, so we'll just shoot it like that. So starting off with a very common and salutation kind of abbreviation, which is SLT, which means salut. Salut means hi, so you can write the short form instead of writing the whole word, SLT. Same way there are other salutations like good morning, good evening, so you can use bonjour, bonsoir, of course. Bonjour becomes BG. I'm mixing English and French again. So bonjour ça devient BGR and bonsoir becomes BSR. English mein we have LOL, which means laugh out loud. Same way we have one short form in French which is MDR, which becomes mort de rire, which means die out laughing. Okay, so next one is JTM, which means je t'aime, ne dis jamais je t'aime. So actually in the movie Befikre you can spot many French things, and there is this one song, ne dis jamais je t'aime, je t'aime. So je t'aime means I love you and I love you, amigos. So you can write the short form of this as JTM. Next one is message, which is the same as in English. The abbreviation of message is MSG. PK, not the movie PK, but PK. PK means pourquoi, means why. And then some other very commonly used abbreviations like QQC, matlab quelque chose. QQ1, quelqu'un means someone. And if somebody writes A plus in your message, that means à plus tard, means see you later in the day, in the same day. Because I remember I used to find it very difficult कि à plus tard कब use होता है exactly and à bientôt कब use होता है exactly. À bientôt can be used very generally any time of the day, but if it's like if you are leaving in the morning and coming back by afternoon or evening, you can say à plus tard, which means I'll see you in some time. So you can say A plus, that means à plus tard. Then is merci. You can write MR6. MR6 becomes merci. Quite simple and short. Next is actually a sentence or a phrase, but it's very common and everybody tends to use it a lot. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? And this is how you make the short form of qu'est-ce que tu fais. Next one is à demain, which means see you tomorrow, but how do you abbreviate this? @2M1 à demain. So you will notice the words ending with UN, that is ian, that can be replaced for abbreviation as one. So next one is à ta souhait, which means bless you. When somebody sneezes, you bless them in French. Next one is if somebody invites you over to their place and then they ask you, tu viens ou pas? So you can write, so they can write, not you, so they can write tu vi and n, tu viens ou pas. You see, the sound or sound can be replaced with one. This is actually a very noticeable rule of abbreviation, and there is as such no rule of abbreviation. You can make your own. We'll talk about that later in this video, so stick on. If you are talking about a girl or a female and then you describe that she made a cake, so you can write elle a fait un gâteau. So you can abbreviate elle a fait un, this whole phrase, to one abbreviation, which is L ko you can write L, the English letter L, A and fait with an accent aigu, E ke upar accent lag jayega, and then is one. Okay, another very commonly used phrase is that when you leave for work or when you leave the house, you can say à tout à l'heure, which means see you later. So you can say ATT, which means Atutalor, and then some very random here and there kind of abbreviations like BZ, which means bees or bizu, DCC, which means d'accord, which means okay, and then Boulange. Sound से ही पता चल रहा होगा, Boulange, Sawadheer Boulangerie. You can write it as BOULANG. Next one is TLM, Tout le monde. Now I'll tell you the basic rules of making your own abbreviations. I already told you about the or ia sound, which can be replaced as one. So that is the number one and principally unsaid rule of making abbreviations. अरे शोर मत मचाओ किचन में. Next one is when you take only the consonant part of any word and जो consonant बचेंगे, that can become your abbreviations like BSR, bonsoir, BJR, which means bonjour, and MSG is the same as in English, MSG, message. So that is how you make abbreviations. Just keep in mind one rule, that abbreviations are meant to make the language and communication easier and faster, and keep in mind that when we use any keyboard, it is a QWERTY keyboard, and French people use an AZERTY keyboard, so that is like a shift in typing. But yeah, after like sending 1,000 messages in French, you get very used to where is AZERTY and QWERTY, so QWERTY goes out of the window. Qu'est-ce que tu as fait hier? Moi, j'ai fait un gâteau. Et toi? This is the basic conversation that we learn as a beginner in French language. Whenever you do a question answer round between two people, like one person asks the other and the other one answers, and then the first one says et toi and you, and what did you do? So to abbreviate et toi, you can say, instead of writing T, it's not exactly an abbreviation, it's just a way of writing messages. So instead of writing the original et toi, et and toi, you can write et and twa. Toi becomes toi. The sound remains the same, but they just change the spellings. Okay, now we are going to talk about a few polite texting abbreviations. Number one is STP, s'il te plaît, which is very common and most of the French people and even non-French, but learners of French language know about this. STP is s'il te plaît, SVP is s'il vous plaît, RSVP is very commonly used even in Indian lifestyle, like जो भी शादी के कार्ड आते हैं उसमें नीचे लिखा होता है RSVP. पता नहीं मेरे दिमाग में ये क्यों आने लग गया, मेरे चाचा की शादी में जरूर आना. Okay, next one is DSL, which means désolé, I'm sorry, je suis désolé. You can just write DSL, but अगर कोई इतना short form में désolé बोल रहा है, is he or she even désolé? सोचने वाली बात है वैसे. So DSL becomes désolé, which means sorry. Okay, next one is cordialement. So cordialement is often written at the end of a message, not exactly formal, a semi-formal message or a letter or a mail. When you want to add the element of respect and courtesy and friendship, and if you want to abbreviate this word, CDLT, cordialement. And now talking about a few pronoun abbreviations like je, tu, il, elle. The sound of J and G are very inversed in French, like J sounds as G and G sounds as J in French. When you are writing J, like the avoir J, I have wala J, J apostrophe AI, you can abbreviate it as only writing the English G, which becomes J. Next is C. You can just write the English letter C, which will mean say. Next one is faux, F-O, which can mean F-A-U-T or F-A-U-X, like il faut. And il y a, which means there is or there are, becomes Y-A, short form, yeah. And key means which, you can just write it as K-I, which is key. And next is quoi, which means what. The sound of OI can be changed to the sound of WA. OI sound can change to W sound, especially while writing the messages. Aujourd'hui, which is today, aujourd'hui becomes AUJ. Beaucoup becomes BCP or BCP. Next is pas de problème, which means no, not a problem at all. So you can write it as PB or PB. Next is if you want to write je suis énervé, I am angry. Nerve. You can just remove the E. Okay, next one is CPG, which means c'est pas grave, not a problem. It's not a big deal. And then you can write comme d'hab. COMDAB, which means com d'habitude, like usual. COMDAB. It's a very cool abbreviation. Next one is JMS, which is jamais. TJS, which is toujours, which means always or still. Depends what you want to say and how you want to say it. Next one is CTT, which is se te te, which means c'est tout. That's all. Next one is VRT or VRT. Vraiment, like vraiment, c'est la fin de la video. So with this vraiment, we come to the end of this episode, and I hope you found some abbreviation and you will put to use in your daily French life. Let me know which all abbreviations you already knew about and which all were new to you. Let me know all that in the comment section below, and if you have any request for French Friday, let me know dans les commentaires, and you can watch the rest of the French Friday episodes right here. Just click on the I button and you can see all the 12 episodes before this one. So yeah, amigos, that's the end of today's video. I hope you liked it and learned a few abbreviations here and there. Let me know how you found this video, and I'll see you next time on Tuesday at 5 PM because I upload 2 videos a week every Tuesday and Friday 5 PM. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and the bell icon. Most importantly, leave the comment down below whatever you think about this video, and share this video with your friends and family. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Till then, you know what to do. Rêvez, bousculez et explorez. Dream, hustle and explore. Bye.